of the centenary celebration, I would like to express my views on the topic. Cartoon is the cradle of the congregation. Wonderful and mysterious are the ways of God. It is only possible to understand the origin and growth of the Visitation congregation from cartoon. This remote coastal village is the cradle of the Sisters of Visitation congregation, Alleppey. The pathetic backwardness of the coastal area was a great pain for servant of God, Father Sebastian Lawrence Kashmir Presidential. The nature of the cartoon, and he realized the problem is possible to solve permanently only through the presence of the religious sisters. The nature of the cartoon, and he realized the problem is possible to solve permanently only through the presence of the religious sisters. Opening a spiritual house or congregation in this poverty-stricken area was a very difficult. Even though it was tough, he cherished this dream practically. He desired to have a convent in his home parish and with the permission of the then bishop. Mr. Petro Presidential, the father of Reverend Father Sebastian Presidential, donated a piece of land near the parish church in Khartoum. In the land, he built a convent with the essential amenities, taking the native girls as their candidate, and the formation was given to them by the Visitation Sisters at Kottayam. Thus, the first community of the Visitation congregation did inaugurate on the 29th of January 1924. The sweat and toil of the first 14 members and their exemplary life paved the way for the Visitation congregation in Khartoum. The sisters were mainly engaged in this parish's education and spiritual growth. It grew up as a plant and finally became a big tree with many branches of different sizes and shape, spreading all over, giving shelter, strength, hope and joy to many with amazement to the onlookers. One can rightly close one's eyes and say it remains the cradle of the Visitation congregation. Thank you.